Hello children, good morning. Today I am going to detail you a very interesting poem. The name of the poem is A Real Santa Claus. Children, you know that Santa Claus is a messenger of God. He comes on the occasion of Christmas, and Santa Claus comes with different type of gifts to give the children, and this interesting poem is regarding that. Now in this poem I will detail you as I read, and you also see it carefully and try to get it. Do you often dream about something? All children dream for something. Some children dream for beautiful gifts, some dream for good knowledge, but especially children dream for beautiful gifts. Now let us read a poem about the dream and aspire of a young boy. Santa Claus, I hang for you by our chimney a stocking, two, one for me and one to go to another boy I know. That means in this stanza, a child says to Santa Claus that he has already hung his chimneys as stockings, two, one for himself and one for another boy. There is a chimney in the town you have never traveled down. Should you chance to enter there, you would find a room all bare. That means in the next stanza, the child says that Santa Claus, if you travel there, then you would see the room is completely bare, means there is nothing, anything to play for the child. That means in the sense the child is very poor, he belongs to a poor family. Not a stocking could you espy, matters not how you might try, and the shoes you would find are such as no boy would care for much. That means the boy says to the Santa Claus he could not get anything to give something to the poor boy, as he has no stockings, and if he had shoes, then its condition is very bad. That means it is very old and torn position. You can feel that no boy would care for much. And the next stanza of the poem, in a broken bed you would see someone just about like me, dreaming of the pretty toys which you bring to other boys, and to him a Christmas seems merry only in his dreams. In this stanza, the little boy says to the Santa Claus that if you come at night, you can see a broken bed, and you can also see over there a boy is lying in the bed, and the boy is dreaming of pretty toys because it is the Christmas night and the boys dreams for beautiful gifts that he would come and give him some beautiful gifts. And it is very interesting dreams for the child. All he dreams then Santa Claus stuff his stocking with, because when it fill up to the brim, I will be Santa Claus to him. In the last stanza, the child also says to the Santa Claus, if Santa Claus give him a lot of gifts, then he would also be Santa Claus and he will give some nice and beautiful gifts to the poor children whose parents are very poor and they could not offer their children beautiful gifts. This interesting poem has been composed by Frank Dempster Sherman. Children, that is the poem. You must learn with your heart and soul and try to get it better. Thank you, children.